Analytical paragraph. The given pie chart represents the amount of money spent by a family on different items in a month. Write an analytical paragraph using the information given in the chart. 23% grocery, 18% transportation, 15% miscellaneous, 20% education, 5% rent, and 19% clothes. Now have a look at the answer. The pie chart provides information about the amount of money a family has spent on different items in a month. On an average, the family has spent majorly on grocery, which is 23% of the total expenses, whereas it has spent 20% on education, which shows that it's the second priority for the family. The other item on which it has spent the most is clothes and transportation, which levels off 19 and 18% respectively. 15% of the expenses were on other items that might include stationery, cosmetics, accessories, etc. And the least they had spent was on their rent. The maximum amount was spent on grocery, education, transportation, and clothes. Overall, the data shows that they have not spent much on the unnecessary items or miscellaneous. After spending on grocery, which is of utmost importance, they have spent a significant amount on education. The least money is spent on miscellaneous items after spending on their rent, which is their liability. Thus, it is evident that 85% of the total amount of money was spent on their liabilities, whereas only 15% was spent on other items that might not be necessary to spend on. Thank you for watching. Have a good day ahead.